Alrighty. Looks like Simon was too lazy to get just a single one, so they got a double one. So this is like not a button, it's a light. This is a Montgomery or Galaxy, I don't know. It's a strange elevator. Can't push them all. It's a service elevator. Here we are. This is actually in the block of stores in the southern part of the plaza. I'm surprised that the floor indicator actually works. So, it's weird. This elevator has no time on the inside. No lantern. You can hear it, but the two's burned out. The door takes a long time to open. Starbucks. Okay, that was weird. The down arrow lights up. It's a very big service elevator. Very tall, big doors. I'm gonna end it up on 2 since that's where I need to be. The security has become much more strict here about the service corridors because they say employees only. So there are certain areas of each little block that you can enter without security noticing. And the one over here on both levels is the restroom corridor. So I'll show you where that is. High frequency noises in the background because on this, on the left wall, there is the cafe court, at least on the second floor. There it is over there, the restroom hallway entrance to the service corridor. And this is the way that we get out without security noticing. See? No security.